What's up, my friends? I hope all of you are doing fine. So today it's a new video, kind of spontaneous video because I just wanted to film it for you, and also, yeah, just to have a memory of that. Let's get to the point. I got an iPad Air M3. Yes, M3 I think. This is from 2025, and yeah, it was reduced, so I decided to get it. It's my first Apple product besides my iPod Nano that I had in 2000. Oh my god, I don't know, 2010 as a little kid. I won't count that as my first Apple product, although that has been the OG, and yeah, I'll always respect that as the best Apple invention ever. But I don't have any iPhones, like I use my Samsung and Android, so I'm fine with that. I'm a big Samsung fan and always been that, but I always wanted the Apple product, so I decided to get an iPad. And yeah, just for my future plans, just to like scribble and just design something. Yeah, let's just say I don't want to spoil too much, something big for the future. And yes, so let's get on with the unboxing video, you guys. This is the box that the iPad came in, really big. And then I also got some accessories, so I think that's the pen, the case, and also like some tips, and also the foil to apply the paper-like screen protector on the iPad. But let's open up the package. And there we got it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, this is just a receipt. Oh my god. Wow, you guys, look at this. It's my first impression as well, because I never had like an Apple product. That's it. Wow, I'm so happy. It looks so nice. The size I feel like is perfect. This is the iPad Air M3 Wi-Fi 11 inch and 128 gigabytes. So yeah, damn. Some ASMR. Let's do it in this lighting. And also the bottom part. Maybe I can open it up like this 1 second. Damn. Such a weird unboxing video, but yeah, let's see. The thing is, the first thing I want to do is put it in a protective foil in case. Oh, so that's it. Let me open it up. And take it out. Wow. Looks so nice. Damn. Let me put it in protection. But before that, let me see what else comes in the box. So this is what it looks like. USB-C to USB-C cable. And just, I guess, some manual. Designed by Apple in California. Wow. The sun is shining nicely, you can see my shadow. But yeah, so this is the big box. I think that's the protective foil. I think I want to put it on first before I put on the case. So let's open that. So yeah, this is the... I saw some things about it. The ESR screen, paper feel screen protector. And it comes with this like special device that you can just put it in and then kind of pull on it. I'm not sure how I'll film that, but yeah. And then also I got those replacement tips with the storage case. This is what it looks like. Alright, next package. It's this one. I think this is the case because it's a bit smaller. But yeah, let's open it up and see. Yeah, that's the case. Nice. I got it in a beige, or like not beige, but gray color. I actually wanted to do like some, how you call it, Frutiga Aero, like plastic aquamarine, blue, green color. But then I thought to myself, let me stay a bit low key and get this gray color. Let me see. Oh, it looks nice. Like that. And the styrofoam, of course. So, okay, next package. I think that's the last one. That's also, I guess, the second most expensive thing. This is the Apple Pen Pro. Yes, exactly. The Apple Pencil Pro. I expected the packaging to be like more like, I guess, bluish, or like they had some other designs, but yeah, I think I can open that later. So let's start with protecting our iPad first. So again, this is what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is the whole contraption, I guess. You have to press it when you apply it, but let's look at everything from the beginning. It comes with a manual, like this, and then the back side. Let me read through that and then come back. I have these three parts now. So first we have the wet wipes, then the microfiber cloth, and then the sticker. So now I'll just take the wet wipe and clean the iPad. You cannot see it because I don't have any second cameras and I don't want to move my tripod. But yeah, just make sure it's all clean, even though it's new. And then after that we can use the microfiber cloth. And then lastly, just a dust remover sticker. And after I'm finished with that, I'll just place it face down in this contraption. Now it looks something like this, and then I have to close this down, I believe, and then just pull on this plastic thing. Alright, let's try doing that. So I'll just press and then pull. And hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. I have to open it up again. Lift it. And there are some bubbles. I had to use the microfiber cloth to clean it. Alright, and we got it. I applied the foil. It's like this paper-like, so it's with a matte finish. And when I use the pen, it will sound like paper, I guess. We can try it out later. But I think, yeah, should be fine. No bubbles. Maybe just small ones, but actually no, seems fine. Next up is a case, so we'll place it inside there. Alright, so I managed to get the iPad inside the case. It was really tough, so I don't think I'll manage to get it out anymore. But yeah, so that's the case. Looks really cool. I'll take off the sticker. And then also this is a really cool case because it's detachable. So I can just kind of push up and then I can take it out. And then I can even put it here and then I can put it up like this. Alright, and the last thing that we'll unbox will be this Apple Pencil Pro. Let's see. Let me open it. Nice. Let's see what it's about. It looks so nice. Designed by Apple in California. Just take it out and there you have the pencil. Really nice. That's the magic wand. Ta-da! And that concludes the unboxing. So yeah, I'm excited to finally use it. Maybe I can make another video on TikTok. You can see how I customize it. Let's see if I actually do that. And yes, see you in the next video. I'm so excited and I cannot wait for this to fulfill my future plans. Or let's say it is just the first step for a bigger plan.